Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to show the practice question paper part 6 solution part. Testing a hypothesis solution part. Question number 1. The hypothesis which has more chance of rejection under the assumption which is true is called as. Four options are given. Correct answer is option D, null hypothesis. Question number 2. The probability of type 1 error is called as. Correct answer is option A, level of significance. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3. The error of rejecting null hypothesis when it is true is called as. Option A, type 2 error. Option B, type 1 error. Option C, critical error. Option D, power of the test. Here the correct answer is type 1 error. Question number 4. Dash provides a more powerful test of a simple null hypothesis against simple alternative hypothesis. The correct answer is Neyman Pearson lemma provides the most powerful test of a simple null hypothesis against simple alternative hypothesis. Question number 5. If the statistical hypothesis specifies the population completely, then it is called as. Here the correct answer is option C, simple hypothesis. Let us move to the next question. Question number 6. If the probability that a coin will fall head in a single toss, in order to test H0 P is equal to 1 by 2 against H1 P is equal to 1 by 4, the coin is tossed 4 times and H0 is rejected if more than 3 coins are hit. Then the probability of type 1 error is. So number of times coin tossed n is equal to 4. இங்கே வந்து H0 ஓட வேல்யூ P is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, H0 P is equal to 1 by 2. So P ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Probability of type 1 error என்னது? Probability of rejecting H0 when H0 is true. எப்போ நம்ம ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம் கொடுத்துருக்கு more than 3 heads. Probability of x greater than 3 when P is equal to 1 by 2. X greater than 3 na x is equal to 4 because n is equal to 4. So இந்த வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண binomial distribution formula ncx p power x q power n minus x. n ஓட வேல்யூ 4, x is equal to 4. When you substitute, we get value is equal to 1 by 16. The correct answer is option B, 1 by 16. Let us move to the next question. Question number 7. For testing H0, mu is equal to mu naught against H1, mu is not equal to mu naught. The test used is. Here the correct answer is option D, two-tail test. இதே greater than இருந்தா right tail test, less than இருந்தா left tail test. Both left tail and right tail are called one tail test. Not equal to 1 is known as two tail test. Question number 8. To test the equality or variance of two samples from normal population with sample size 25, the test used is. Here the correct answer is option B, F test. Question number 9. The term 1 minus beta is called as. 1 minus beta is known as power of the test. Let us move to the next question. Question number 10. If the calculated value is less than tabulated value, then the best decision is. Here the correct answer is we may accept the null hypothesis. Question number 11. To test the independence of attributes, the test to be used is. The correct answer is option C, chi-square test. Question number 12. The test statistic used for testing H0 mu is equal to mu naught versus H1 mu is not equal to mu naught is small sample test is. Here the correct answer is T test. Let us move to the next question. Question number 30. The hypothesis which does not specify completely the parameters of population is called as. The correct answer is option D, composite hypothesis. Question number 14. The error of accepting H0 when H0 is false is called as. Here the correct answer is option B, type 2 error. Question number 15. For testing H0 mu is equal to mu naught against H1 mu greater than mu naught, the test used is called as. Here the correct answer is mu. So what is given? Mu is equal to mu naught against H1 mu greater than mu naught is called as. So it is also known as one tail test and also right tail test. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Let us move to the next question. Question number 16. The degree of freedom for testing the significant difference between two independent sample means in small sample test is. So small sample test la namakku degree of freedom எப்போ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Testing the significant difference between two independent sample mean. The correct answer is n1 plus n2 minus 2. Question number 17. A large population has a mean of 22. Find the value of Z statistic if the sample size is 200. Sample mean and standard deviation are 24 and 10 respectively. So sample size n is equal to நமக்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கு 200. Sample mean x bar is equal to 24. Standard deviation 10. Population mean mu is equal to 22. When you substitute Z is equal to x bar minus mu s by root 10, get the answer. Z is equal to 2.828. Question number 18. If alpha is equal to probability of type 1 error, then alpha is called as. So alpha oda per enadhu consumer's risk. Question number 19. The degree of freedom for F test for testing the significant difference between two sample variances. Four options are given. Here correct one is n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1. Last question of this video. Question number 20. To test the significant difference between sample mean of a population mean in a small sample test, the test to be used is. Okay, the correct answer is option C, T test. So நம்ம இதில் 20 question testing hypothesis solution பார்த்தோம். If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you, students.